Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do like a spring refresh in my bathroom. I have a bunch of stuff behind me. I will share the things I got for my bathroom refresh. It's our master bathroom. And I just wanna spruce it up a little bit, give it a nice cleaning, and add the new little items that I've purchased, and I will share those with you guys. So come along with me while we decorate and do a little bit of cleaning in my master bathroom and get it nice and refreshed, freshened, cleaned, all those things for the spring season. So let's go. Okay, so to start off, I purchased a set of, just a set of 6 of these, but I only need 4. And they're to hang up these plates that I thrifted. Yeah, I wouldn't typically pay $3 a piece for these little tiny dessert plates, but I love them. And they go perfectly with my ball jars. And also found this cute guy on Amazon. It's a fairly small tray. So I'm gonna be using that. Then I got this really beautiful mirror at an antique store. I thought this was a good reminder each day when you get up and look in the mirror and smile at yourself to give thanks for a new day. So this is gonna go in my bathroom. I found this, like I said, Tuesday mornings, and it was $9.99. Then I got some beautiful new towels, just some gray ones, nice big and thick gray ones, and I'm gonna layer them with these ones on top. Aren't those pretty? Kind of see my theme. Okay, so let me get cleaning the sinks and wipe down stuff, and then we're gonna get to decorating. So this is like crunchy. You have to get your finger wet and activate the adhesive glue, and then you press it on there. So just using your finger, you'll activate it. And you're just gonna press it on there for a few minutes. It does need to dry for 3 to 7 minutes.